Hey, how's it going there? I'm here to talk about in this video guidance and support for tax pros, regardless if you're new, regardless if you working for a tax firm and you want to go to the next level by starting your own tax firm and you want to get started with someone who's been there and done that. Then this mentorship program is designed for you in mind. The solution, the problem I solve is I help individuals who want to start their own tax preparation services to get started, who lacks clarity and confidence in their ability to get started, where they don't know what to do from A to Z, even though you can go Google or go to YouTube and get information on how to start your own tax service or tax firm. The bottom line, the problem I solve is for people who don't have the clarity and confidence to take that information and implement it in a way that's going to make them feel good enough about themselves to get started by themselves. So if that's you, this mentorship program was designed for you in mind. The solution is mentorship and coaching, support and guidance is what the mentorship solution gives you. The results you get from this is that I remove all the guesswork from you getting started with your own income tax preparation services. I guide you through all the different aspects of running the business, and I give you additional information on some things that's going to help you fast track your business because you don't know what you don't know. So this mentorship and coaching program is 18 months access to me. Uh, 6 months of that is the bonus. 12 months is what it comes with. You get an additional 6 month bonus, which makes it a total of 18 months. The program is $1,595. And if you don't have the one time payment, we can break it down to three payment options to get you started. So the problem we face right now, tomorrow's November, which means we got all of November and all of December and a portion of January to get you up and running and ready for the upcoming tax season. So it's gonna get to the point where I'm gonna have to stop taking clients who want to start their own tax service because you won't be able to get your number in time because we're getting down to the wire of this year closing out. And during January through April, they do not process e-file providers applications at all. So you won't be able to get the number during actual tax season because they have no one to take care of that process. So you want to make sure you get it done now. So November, we'll be pushing it, but I believe we can help you get your set up in November and ready to go through the process of going through the software training and giving you all the information you need that's going to help you have a full-fledged income tax service, regardless if you're going to do virtual or local or both. You want to get started now versus trying to come in December because December will be too late. Won't be able to get you up and running in time. It just won't happen. And so November 30th is the last day I'll be taking students because, like I said, going into December and then the new year, if you ain't already got your EFA number, that's going to allow you to buy professional software and work with a third party bank to collect your fees on the behalf of the client, then there's no way for you to uh, work with clients who going to get the nice size refunds who are not used to paying out of pocket anyway. So you want to definitely take advantage of my 23 years of experience in this industry and 17 at being an independent tax firm myself. And on top of that, helping other people start their own tax preparation services is what I've been doing over the course of this 23-year career. So this is an awesome career, awesome business model. What we do is based on knowledge. If you want to do this, I suggest you become knowledgeable. I suggest you be a person that has ambition and desire to be all you can be in this industry. This industry can appear to be saturated to the new person, to the inexperienced person, because unfortunately we have no federal legislation that prevents people from doing income taxes. We only have 6 states that have something on the books that people have to have in order to do taxes in those particular 6 states. So other than that, it's free fall. But I believe in the near future that's going to change. The IRS is going to be able to put some on the books that's going to make it mandatory for us to all have some type of training and certification in play, like they tried to do in 2011, which they lost the court case, and they said that they didn't have the authority to implement that program. So take advantage of the opportunity while it's here, because we don't know how long it's going to be before some type of legislation and compliance requirements will be put in place. So if you know you're the person that's been procrastinating on starting your own income tax business for whatever reason, makes me no difference, and you want to get started now, reach out to me at 312-607-1978, or you can email me at info@workwthomas.com. The choice is yours. Let's talk, let's chat. Let me be able to answer all your questions and concerns about this awesome career industry of tax preparation and taxation. Keep it real with you, keep it realistic with you on the type of success and finances you can make from this venture. It's all up to your efforts. I'm here to be your tour guide. I'm here to make sure you don't make all the mistakes that you would naturally make by yourself. I'm here to alleviate those mistakes because I've been there and done it. Anything else outside of what I've already done that I learned from, that I implemented protocols for to prevent, will be something new. So I'm here to guide you, support you, make you accountable, give you everything you need to be successful, but you got to show up and do the work. I can't do it for you. This is a done with you mentorship program, not a done for you. So if you want to get started, you're ready to take action, you're ready to invest in you, you're ready to bet on you, because this takes a financial commitment as well as a time commitment to start a business and to make it successful and profitable, so you can get the type of life and lifestyle you say you want to have. I'm here to help you make that happen. So don't hesitate to reach out so we can get started in November, get you up and running and set up. The 3 focuses that we do: getting you set up, getting the software training in place. And if you're the person that needs tax preparation training, I give you basic training so you can be ready. So if you want to learn more about the mentorship program and you got questions, concerns, let me hear. Reach out to me so I can answer those. Let's talk, let's chat. Let me keep it real with you on what it's going to take for you to be successful. Stop letting people bait you with money about making $50,000 in 90 days. That's not going to happen for you. It can, but more than likely, you're not going to do what it's going to take to get $50,000 in 90 days. No way. So that's why it won't happen for you. Now, if you're one of those elite people that's a go-getter, who's outgoing, who's be all they can be when it comes to getting involved in different things concerning business and money, and doing the activities needed to make the money, then you might be a exceptional candidate to get those type of results. But the average person won't. So thank you for watching this video. Don't hesitate to reach out. And I'll see you in my next one.